Hi, this is Nitin, founder of EstimateZen.com, and today we are going to talk about brand name. How brand name is important for contractors, interior designers, modular furniture makers. How important it is if you want your business to grow. So it is very common amongst contractors and interior designers and construction companies to name their business with their own name. Okay, or they will use initials of their own name. So you'll find companies like JD Interiors or RK Constructions or Pooja Constructions or Vishal Contractors and Samir Contractors, etc. Now you'll find this was very common practice to name your company with your own name or your son's name or your daughter's name. You'll also find lot of companies, they use God's name. So Lakshmi Kitchen and Sai Kitchen and Lakshmi Interiors, and all these names, it used to work in past, but now the businesses are so competitive. If you want to grow your business, there are a lot of things which are important, and brand name is one very important aspect. I'll tell you why. Because brand name brings a free marketing value. Okay, so if you want to grow your business, you will spend lot of time and you will invest lot of time and money in marketing of your business at some point of time. Okay, brand name gives you if you have a good brand name, it gives a free marketing value. अगर आपका brand name बहुत अच्छा है, it will give a free marketing value, because if you are good, your customers will talk about you to others. राइट, एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अगर आपका कंपनी का ब्रांड नेम है अच्छा, इजी नेम है, तो इट विल बिकम इजी टू पास दैट कम्युनिकेशन, टू स्प्रेड दैट कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, सो ऑल द गुड कंपनीज, पॉपुलर कंपनीज, इफ यू ट्राई टू इमेजिन, they will always have a good brand name, because it becomes easy to talk about it. It becomes your business grows if your brand name is very catchy, very easy to remember, right? And now, what are some good qualities of brand name? So number one, it should be easy to remember. Second, the name should give impression that you are big. It should give an impression that customer is going to get some quality work. Okay, so a trust build होना चाहिए. तो नाम सुन के, तो brand name should have this kind of qualities. It should give an impression that you are authority in what work you are doing. For example, our name is EstimateZen.com. So it is easy to remember. You get an idea that it is related. It is doing something with estimates. And EstimateZen sounds modern, plus थोड़ा सा authority sound करता है कि ये लोग इस चीज़ में कुछ अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, right? So EstimateZen उस तरीके से नाम रखा है. तो find a brand name which has these kind of qualities. Another aspect which is important is domain name check करो. So go on GoDaddy.com. 700-800 रुपया खर्चा होता है एक साल का. Buy a domain name. So even if you are not planning to run a website actively, it is important that you go and buy a domain name for your brand name. Okay. एक सिंगल पेज का वेबसाइट क्रिएट करने में कुछ खर्चा नहीं आता है, फ्री में क्रिएट होता है. उस पर आपका नाम, आपका एड्रेस, आपका फ़ोन नंबर एंड वॉट एवर सर्विस यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग, मेंशन दैट. सो टू क्रिएट वन सिंगल पेज देयर इज नो कॉस्ट. बाय अ डोमेन नेम एंड हैव अ सिंगल पेज वेबसाइट एट लीस्ट. I talk to lot of contractors, interior designers, and they say कि अभी तो कंपनी छोटा है, I am freelancing or whatever, there is no need for a brand name. जब बड़ा होगा तभी देखेंगे. That is wrong. Okay, 2 reasons why this idea is wrong. Number one, जब आप बड़ा हो जाओगे, अगर when your business becomes big, it will be impossible to change the name. Okay, you cannot change the brand name. Once you become big, you will have to stay with whatever name you have been using. Okay, so choose a brand name. Second reason why brand name starting से choose करना important है, because आपको बड़ा होना है, right? आपको you want to grow. Then why not choose a brand name? क्योंकि brand name choose करोगे तो उससे आप और easily grow होने वाले हो. तो you should start right away. Choose a brand name because it will give assurance to your customers के हाँ ये कंपनी थोड़ा बड़ा है, ये कंपनी मुझे रिजल्ट देगा. तो इससे क्या होता है कि आपको आपके बिजनेस ग्रो करने में हेल्प करेगा. बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स है which are there are a lot of aspects which are required, are important for growing business, but brand name is very important because it has a lot of free marketing value if you choose good brand name. All right, so if you agree with me, mention yes in the comment. If you don't agree with me, write no. And whatever more you want to add about brand name, अगर आपको कुछ question है तो just write in the comment. I'll be happy to reply on that. Thank you.